Intro 001 Hi everyone. Today, let's join Captain Discovery as we delve into the secrets behind one of the largest Kit Kat factories in the world. Step into the fascinating realm of Kit Kat production, where each crispy wafer bar is crafted with precision and care. From sourcing the finest ingredients to the meticulous processing, discover the secrets behind this beloved treat enjoyed by millions worldwide. Don't forget to subscribe to Captain Discovery. History of Kit Kat 041. Picture this. The year is 1935, and nestled amidst the quaint streets of York, England, a confectionery revolution is brewing. 045 Rowntree's of York unveils their latest creation, Rowntree's Chocolate Crisp. Little did they know, they were laying the foundation for an icon. In 1988, Nestlé acquired Rowntree and rebranded their Chocolate Crisp as Kit Kat, igniting a love affair with chocolate enthusiasts around the globe. Kit Kat Factory Production Process 123. How does the Kit Kat factory create the delicious crispy bars enjoyed in over 70 countries? 131. Our journey begins at the source, where Nestlé's commitment to quality shines through. From the lush cocoa farms of West Africa, every ingredient is hand-picked with care and consideration. Sourcing the best ingredients 145. It's not just about taste. It's also about sustainability and supporting local communities. Mixing and conking 226. Step into the heart of the factory, where mixers blend cocoa, sugar, and milk powder into a silky symphony of flavor. But it doesn't stop there. Conking takes center stage as rollers refine the chocolate to perfection. Wafer creation 302. Meanwhile, in a symphony of precision, wafer sheets are born. Thin layers of batter are delicately baked to golden perfection, their crispiness echoing through the factory halls. Each wafer tells a story of patience and craftsmanship, a testament to the quality behind every Kit Kat. Enrobing in chocolate 454. As the wafer bars await the warm embrace of chocolate, a stream of molten chocolate flows from above, enveloping them in a smooth coating. It's a sight to behold, a dance of chocolate and wafers destined to delight taste buds worldwide. Kit Kat's popularity 540. Kit Kat is renowned for its perfect blend of crispy wafer and smooth chocolate coating, especially in its easy-to-share format. Can you imagine? Over 3 million Kit Kat bars are produced at this factory every day. Eating preferences 614. A popular way to enjoy Kit Kat is by breaking each bar into small pieces to savor bit by bit. Alternatively, some prefer to enjoy it whole, experiencing the delightful combination of crispy wafer and smooth chocolate. 645. How do you typically eat your Kit Kat? Cutting and packaging 712. The individual Kit Kat bars line up, moving in succession to the packaging area. Nimble robotic arms place the chocolate-coated bars onto the conveyor belt. 805. An interesting fact, these delicious Kit Kat bars are packed in recyclable packaging. With a blink of an eye, precise cutting machines separate the bars before they are boxed. Quality control 906. Each Kit Kat bar is characterized by its crisp wafer, smooth chocolate coating, and precise cutting and packaging to ensure consistent shape and size. Distribution 933. The Kit Kat packs continue through a funnel to be distributed into boxes. The automated system lifts the packs into boxes and seals them methodically. 1024. Finally, the Kit Kat boxes are transported to distribution centers, ready to reach millions of consumers. Environmental commitment 1056. Nestlé has also built a solar energy plant with over 28,000 solar panels, generating 10 gigawatts of electricity annually and reducing 6 million kilograms of CO2 emissions. They are committed to reducing waste with environmentally friendly packaging, ensuring each Kit Kat bar brings joy sustainably. Outro 1135. Thanks for exploring the Kit Kat production process with us. If you're amazed by the blend of technology and craftsmanship we showcased, like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Feel free to adjust any parts further based on your style or needs.